Now in the pink box it is there the national parties and the regional parties. Children, we know that national party it is working in the union level, and regional party they works in the various regions of any country. To get recognition as a national party, the election commission has prescribed the following conditions. Now we are supposed to know that what are the criteria, and how to get recognized as a national party by election commission, by EC. Understood? So तो कुछ क्राइटेरिया होते हैं जिसको कंप्लीट करने से ही एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को रिकॉग्निशन मिलता है. सो फर्स्ट विल सी a political party should secure minimum 6% of valid votes in 4 or more states in the earlier Lok Sabha or state assembly elections, and minimum 4 members should be elected in the Lok Sabha from any state in the earlier election. तो 6% वोट होना चाहिए, वैलिड वोट इन 4 और मोर स्टेट्स. अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी उसको 6% वोट वैलिड होना चाहिए 1 स्टेट 4 और मोर स्टेट्स में. अंडरस्टूड? और एनी मेंबर 4 मेंबर्स शुड बी इलेक्टेड इन लोकसभा. तो ये क्राइटेरिया अगर फुलफिल होता है देन दैट पॉलिटिकल पार्टी विल गेट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज अ नेशनल पार्टी. और द कैंडिडेट ऑफ पार्टी शुड बी इलेक्टेड फ्रॉम मिनिमम 2% कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी out of total Lok Sabha constituency and from minimum 3 states. So this is another criteria, that 2% constituencies out of total Lok Sabha constituencies and minimum 3 states. तो 3 states से उनको होना चाहिए, मिलना चाहिए उस कैंडिडेट को. तो ये चीज़ अगर फॉलो होता है तो देन दे विल रिकॉग्नाइज एज ए नेशनल पार्टी. नेक्स्ट, टू गेट रिकॉग्निशन एज अ रीजनल पार्टी, द इलेक्शन कमीशन हैज प्रिस्क्राइब्ड following conditions. Now we will see regional party. Regional party, what are the criteria that regional party will get recognition? First, a political party should secure minimum 6% of valid votes. Understood? 6% of valid votes in the earlier Lok Sabha state assembly election, and minimum 2 members should be elected in Vidhan Sabha state assembly. Understood? 6% of valid votes in earlier Lok Sabha state assembly election, and 2 members should be elected in Vidhan Sabha state assembly. Or a political party should secure minimum 3% of seats out of total seats of Vidhan Sabha state assembly, or minimum 3 seats. So these are the criteria which will, if they will cover this, fulfill this, then they will recognize as a regional party by EC, and they will recognize a national party by EC or election commission. So this is very important. This pink box is your answer from your exercise. So please read it carefully. Now we will see various national parties of our country. Understood? So right side we can see first, these are the recognized national parties by Election Commission of India. Understood? First we will see Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress was established in 1885. You already know. At that time, its establishment, Congress was an all-comprehensive movement working for the national independence. So already we know that time INC was working for the main motive for freedom of India. Groups with different ideologies has come together in this nationalist movement. After independence, and Congress emerged as the most dominant political party. The party from the beginning follows the policy of secularism, all-round development, equal rights and welfare for the minorities and disadvantaged sections of the society. Accordingly, Congress has organized various programs to achieve those objectives. The party believes in the democratic socialism, social equality and international peace. So these are the, already we know that when Pandit Nehru was there, we have already studied in our previous class 9th standard, that time whatever the ideologies of Pandit Nehru and Congress party, their ideologies was democratic socialism, social equality and international peace. So on the basis of these ideologies, our Indian national foreign policy was also formed. So that time Indian National Congress, the oldest political party which was formed before independence, that time the ideologies was different, and on the basis of those ideologies they are working. They worked for since so many years. Understood? So welfare of the minorities and for the different section of the society. So these were the main ideologies of Indian National Congress, and the symbol, you see it very carefully. This is the symbol of Indian National Congress. Next come to Communist Party of India. This party based on communist ideology, understood, which was established in 1925. So another thing, another oldest party of our country, political party, since it was established 1925. It is an old party in India. This party works for the welfare of the laborers and workers. Understood? The party opposes capitalism. The party leadership developed difference in 1962 over the issue of whether Communist Party of India should accept the leadership of Communist China or Soviet Union. So this led to split in Communist Party of India and separate party Communist Party of India Marxist was formed. So actually it was, when it was formed 1925, their ideology was different. They wanted to work for the welfare of the laborers and workers, but after 1962 there was difference in opinion, because that time the socialism of Soviet Union and Marxism of China, so these two ideologies were there was clash between communist leaders of our country. So there was split in this party. So one is following Marxism and another is socialism. So this type of ideology of China and Soviet Union. So these two became separate, or this was split in 1962 after the differences in ideologies. Understood?